Yo, it's strong right now, guys. Oh my days, look at that. It's super heavy, the rain. And I was ready for school, and that's why I like that. We have a floor. We have flow, flash flow, one warning. Because I'm going to school like 9 9:30, 9:30, yeah, 9:30. Look at the house. Look at that. Super heavy. The rain. Oh my God! Like I was ready, but my teacher he says I'm going to school like 9:30, and this is what happened. I have like 2 hours for go to school. Oh my God, it's super heavy. We have a heavy rain right now. We have heavy rain right now. And look down the floor. Oh my days. Look at the here. Look at that. Look at the floor. Dude, are you serious? I know one can get wet of this rain right now. Well, so yeah. I hope you to gonna have a great day, a great day, you guys, and be careful for a drive, and be careful with driving, and be careful with driving, and stay safe, bro. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Don't drive. Be carefully, guys. Drive. Be careful. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my days. Well, see you. Have a good